Let's take a look at an application of discovering the slope of a line. Let's take a look at this slide here. In this slide, say the top of the slide going down straight to the ground, we'll call that the y-axis. And then for that matter, we'll go ahead and we'll call the ground 0 at the x-axis. And let's say that a child launches from the top of the slide that is 5 feet tall. So that's 0, 5 there. And they go pretty much in a straight line all the way down to the ground. I mean, the slide has this little dip to help out with the curvature, but essentially the grade of that slide takes them down to the point 4, 0. So the distance from here to here is 4, the distance from here to here is 5. So that tells us what the slope is, doesn't it? I mean, we could do the calculation. We could say that this is x1, y1, and that this down here would be x2, y2, and so that the calculation would be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In other words, 0, let's see, this is y2, 0 minus 5 over, this is our slope, 0 minus 5 over 4 minus 0, which would be negative 5/4. So basically we had that here. We went down 5 and over 4. And if we wanted to write an equation for this line, for this slide here, since it crosses at 5, this is our b here, right? Then our equation would be something along the lines of y is equal, let's do a different color. Let's say here, y is equal to negative 5/4 of x plus 5, which is our y-intercept. And that's all fine and dandy, but for a second, let's take a look at the slope of this line. The slope of this line is negative 5/4, which is to say, if we were to say turn that into a percent, let's get our old trusty calculator here and divide 4 into 5. So 5 divided by 4, that's 1.25. So in terms of a grade, that's 125% grade. Now think about this for a second. When you drive on the grapevine, at its steepest, you get about a 5% grade. And you know from driving in your vehicle that's going down pretty fast, right? If you're going at a negative 0.05, if you're going down at a negative 0.05 or at a 5% grade, that's going down pretty quick. So try being a small child going down at 125% grade. So let this be a lesson to all parents out there. Slides are not safe. Never, and I mean never, drive your car down one.